Hello, I hope you are well. In this video we will see what was the biggest missed opportunity in business. Welcome to the question answer channel. The channel where you will find the answer to everything. Thanks to Hector Quintanilla, Yuji Hajime, Bhumi Toka and Eric Wang for sharing their answers to this question with us. The first answer will be from Hector Quintanilla.
The biggest missed opportunity in business is not learning from McDonald's. What? You meant learn from McDonald's how to make burgers? No, I mean to learn from their strategies. McDonald's success is no accident. It's a marvelously planned business with proven marketing and sales strategies. One of those strategies is how they lure their customers into the restaurant with very low prices. Example, the dollar menu campaign. They attract you into the restaurant with an irresistible deal. They may sell you a burger for $2 and they will only make a few cents in profit. Definitely not a good business, right? Well, this is one of the most common mistakes small businesses make. They attract customers with their best deals to sell them something cheap. True, so, what happens with this weak strategy? They suffer from the marketing rat race, chasing customers endlessly with expensive marketing, plus ultimately they don't make enough profits. Why? Again, let's learn from McDonald's. When you buy the cheap burger, they will upsell you fries and a drink for $2.50 more. With this upsell they more than double the sales ticket, and most importantly this is most of their profit. So, to answer your question, learn from McDonald's. Next sale, make it a value meal. Sell more to your same customers.
We continue with Yuji Hajime's answer.
Has anyone outside of Asia heard of a drink called lipovitamin D? It is an energy supplement drink sold by a Japanese pharmaceutical company called Teisho Pharmaceutical Company, Limited. The earlier version of this product was a medical tablet pill called lipovitan, released in 1960. But the company began selling a tonic version of it in 1962. Japan has a history of marketing this type of product, most infamous of being methamphetamine. The substance was first crystallized, patented and sold in Japan by Sumitomo Dainippon Pharma as Harapan, until it got banned in 1949. They also realized that they could sell more of it by converting it from medical to non-medical drink and adding pineapple flavor into its yellow-colored liquid. They also reduced the price of a bottle from 150 yen to 100 yen, which was basically the standard price of a can of the fizzy drink sold in Japan. The drink was initially marketed toward people who work in manual labor like construction, factory, or truck driving. But Teisho Pharmaceutical expanded its market considerably by realigning its target market to Japanese salarymen, who often have to work for long hours, sometimes overnight. It currently has 50% market share of the Japanese energy drinks. So, where is the missed business opportunity? Well, do you know the main ingredient of the above drink? It is taurine, the main ingredient of a similar energy drink shown below. Lipovitamin D was a popular drink in Japan and also in some Asian countries, and there are many copycat products in various countries. In Thailand, they had a knockoff called Krating Dang, which was primarily marketed to laborer and truck drivers like it was in Japan. Then in 1982, a marketing director from Austria named Dietrich Mateschitz visited Thailand and discovered that Krating Dang helped to cure his jet lag. He negotiated a partnership with the maker of Krating Dang, then adopted the product to Western markets. As everyone knows, Mr. Mateschitz did not market the product to truck drivers, construction workers or overworked office drones. Instead, he marketed it to youth and their nightlife, and the rest is history. And everyone knows there is another popular drink which was initially a medicinal tonic, contained now banned substance, cocaine, now sold as a soft drink, primarily targeted toward youth. So, Teisho Pharmaceutical Company, while being modestly successful in Japan, just couldn't see beyond its own colored glasses as a pharmaceutical company and as Japanese who works hard but doesn't party hard, and missed out on the much larger global market which was sitting right in front of them.
What do you think? We will continue with Bhumi Tokan's answer.
True story. One lady went to her mentor crying because she had just lost her job 10 minutes earlier. She sobbed, "I don't know what to do. I have my rent to pay and children to look after. I have been a good worker, but to be honest, from the time we lost our contract from the military the business has struggled. We all knew this day could come." When she finished, he said to her, "Do you have an oven?" She was stunned by the question, but she answered, "Yes." Then he said to her, "Go home and bake those cookies that you give me. Bake about 2 dozens, take them to the old workplace and hand them out as samples." She thought it was ridiculous, but she obeyed. She came back the next day smiling. After they tasted it, they ordered 4 dozen cookies. She went on and supplied it. The word spread quickly. The following week she had 10 dozen orders. The business began to take off. Soon she needed 1 staff and a new industrial oven to cope with the orders. Then she needed 10 staff, and then she employed 100 staff 5 years later. One day she entered her mentor's office smiling. She said, "Here is a gift for you." She handed him an envelope with $10,000 in cash and with a broad smile saying, "Thank you." Story by the late Dr. Miles Monroe. Interestingly, if she was not fired from the job, there will be no way she would have started the business. What does all this have to do with, what is the biggest missed opportunity in business? The answer, failure to start your business today. That, my friend, is the biggest missed opportunity. Many people stay in a job they hate instead of putting their own ideas to work for them. Worst still, some know the job has outlasted its usefulness, but they love the feeling of the monthly pay too much to leave that comfort for the unknown. People have loads of valid reasons, excuses, why they should wait another year before they start their own business. I am just waiting for the baby to start school. Once they get into primary school. Once the children start secondary school. Once I pay the university fees, it will be the next thing I do. Once the economy gets better. When I get enough savings. When the best idea comes along. When the weather changes. When I finish paying the mortgage. Once I can read. Access this answer and support the author as a Quora Plus subscriber. Access all answers reserved by Boomi Token for Quora Plus subscribers. Access exclusive answers from thousands more participating creators in Quora Plus. Browse ad-free and support creators. Start free trial. Learn more.
The following answer is from Eric Wang.
Netflix, one of the most popular streaming services in the world today, has a value of over $15 billion. It has 150 million subscribers worldwide, a bunch of the biggest shows and movies, and a slew of original productions. Its presence in pop culture is immense. Netflix pretty much single-handedly pioneered the modern business model of subscription-based streaming services, which every major company from HBO to Disney is now trying out. But what a lot of people don't know is that in 2000, Netflix offered itself to a giant movie rental company for just $50 million. In the 1990s, renting home videos and movies was one of the most lucrative industries as tapes and DVDs became ubiquitous to homes around America. Blockbuster was the leader of this boom, shipping tens of millions of movies every year. In 2000, Blockbuster was on top of the world. By contrast, the Netflix of 2000 was competing in the same market as Blockbuster, physical shipping of DVDs and other forms of media. It was not going so well, leading to the offer of a sale to Blockbuster. They offered to become the website subsidiary of Blockbuster as Blockbuster.com, branching the company's reach into an untapped market of internet consumers. Blockbuster said no. In the following years, Netflix took their idea of appealing to the expanding internet market and used it for their own business model. Their sales, slow at first, began to explode as computers and internet connections made their way into American households. Blockbuster, on the other hand, found their conventional market under crushing pressure from the expediency and convenience of online streaming. In 2019, Netflix is among the corporate giants, while Blockbuster has just a single small store in Bend, Oregon. The last legacy of a corporate titan from a lost era of recent history.
This is the end of the video. I hope you have more answers. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it more, you can subscribe and leave a like on this video. We are coming to the end of this video. Share your views on this question in the comments. See you next time.